Right, this is my Volvo here. Having quite a lot of trouble with it. I was hoping somebody could help me diagnose these problems. First issue is that I took the protection tray off here, and as you can see there's a lot of oil build up around the bottom there. Now when we take a look down here, I don't know if you can see that, but it looks like it's coming from the charge pipe. You can see that. But it's coming down there and it drips along the bottom of the protection tray. Now I noticed this actually happens a lot more whilst driving. It doesn't actually happen whilst the vehicle's stationary. Now I'm also getting misfire codes in cylinders 2 and 5, which they say could be an earthing fault.